Hello everyone and welcome to the second volume of Ultimate Prop Art Bundle with 4 different complete courses in one. With more than 15 hours of content, we will go over creating 4 different props completely from start to finish. We will go over the complete pipeline of creating a high quality realistic prop, starting with modeling the prop in Blender, texturing in Substance Painter, and finally lighting and rendering a portfolio piece in Blender. This bundle has 4 different courses that are creating a gramophone, creating a Nintendo GameBoy, creating a vintage hall clock, and creating a guitar. This bundle will help you improve your 3D prop modeling and texturing skills massively as we go through each step together and learn many different techniques. After finishing the courses, you will easily be able to create the renders shown in the trailer and also create high quality props of your own. We will start with modeling the prop in Blender and we will learn different modeling techniques and learn a lot about different modifiers. After finishing the modeling, we will apply all the modifiers and UV unwrap our model for export. Next, we'll export our model to Substance Painter and begin the texturing process. You will learn how to create realistic textures using various features in Substance such as smart masks, smart materials, generators, etc. Across the different courses, you will explore how to create a variety of materials like plastic, iron, wood, glass, etc., enhancing your texturing skills to help you achieve realistic textures for your props. Once we are done texturing in Substance Painter, we'll bring the model back in Blender for rendering. You will learn how to set up materials, adjust lighting and camera for the perfect shot. We'll also cover how to use HDRIs for realistic scene lighting, and at the end of each course, we'll take portfolio ready renders of each prop showcasing your work in best light. This course is for everyone who has a basic understanding of Blender and Substance Painter and wants to upgrade their skills. So I'll see you there in the course. Thank you.